anything. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Welcome back to yet another video. I am back with another affordable wig review for you guys. So before I do get into the remainder of this video, be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because I know that you guys are gonna love the price of this wig, especially that's like the whole focal point of this video is for me to showcase to you guys an affordable wig. Now this wig is going to be familiar to those of you guys who are already subscribed to my channel. This hair is from Julia Hair Company. I love their body wave wigs. I say that all the time, but just in case some of you guys are new, Julia Hair is one of my favorite hair companies. They are my top favorite hair companies videos, and I have other videos featuring hair from this hair company on my channel. Now normally you guys know I like to kind of wear the hair for a little bit sometimes and then come on here and give you guys my feedback on it. However, because I am so familiar with this hair company, I didn't really feel the need to do that this time, so I literally just installed it right out of the box because I pretty much already know what to expect. This is their body wave 4x4 lace closure wig, and yes, this is a 4x4 lace closure wig. I wanted a side part, but I didn't want like my typical side part that would have been like right around here. So what I did is I just kind of scooted the wig over a little bit more. I honestly could have scooted it down a little bit more for like even deeper side part, which I'll probably do that the next time that I install this, but for right now this works. As far as the cap construction, yes, this wig does have the standard combs and adjustable straps in it. I believe it came in just a standard size. I didn't get to choose the wig cap size, which it fits perfectly. I do have the straps adjusted, and I always cut the combs out because I didn't need them. This wig comes with a slightly bleached knot, so they don't go in and bleach it entirely, but it is slightly bleached. So when you do go in and do the bleaching process, it's going to be very quick and easy because they kind of already started to do it for you. It does come with the pre-plucked hairline as well. Now I did pluck just a tiny bit more, like nothing too crazy, literally just like a little bit, and I'm satisfied with how it looks right now. This is not even an HD lace wig, you guys. This is just their regular Swiss lace in the medium brown color. I will give you guys a close-up so you guys can see how flawless this lace is. It's been such a long time since I've gotten like medium brown lace. There's never really nothing wrong with it. I think we've been so caught up on like HD lace and clear lace and every other type of lace that claims to be like invisible, but for us chocolate girls, brown skin girls, like this lace still works for us. That's just a little reminder that you don't have to get an HD lace wig, especially like I said, if you're around my skin tone or even a little bit darker. The medium brown still does us justice. So upon double checking, I was right. So this is just an average cap size, which is going to be one of those like one size fits all type thing going on. So if you're worried about if it's going to fit you or not, the answer more than likely is going to be yes. I did cut the wig just because I wanted it to be more of like a blunt cut, and I wanted it to be just a little bit shorter. But this wig is only 150% density. Now normally I don't get body wave wigs in that low of a density. I always stick to 180, sometimes 200, but for this to be 150, it actually is not bad at all. I was actually very surprised. It's not like thin and stringy. The ends of it towards the like very end, like towards like the last inch of the hair, it was a little thin, so that's why I just cut that off. I cut more than an inch, but I'm just saying if I wanted to just get rid of the thinness, I would have only had to cut about an inch off. But this is pretty much the look I was going for. This wig is glueless. I use the Even Wonder Lace spray. You guys, all the products that I use, I always have them linked in my Amazon storefront, so check the description box for that. Anytime I start using a new product, I also update it and put it in there. I didn't already mention I got this wig in 24 inches. It only comes in like 5 different lengths, so 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. They do have a coupon code on their website. I don't know if you guys ever pay attention to that. It's usually in the top banner on the website. It's usually like front and center right there on the homepage. So make sure you guys are using the coupon codes. If I ever have one, I will always pop it down below in the description box as well, just so you guys can save a little bit of coins. So once you put in the coupon code that's on the website currently, that $240 quickly becomes $185. So basically little less than $200, a really good quality body wave wig. Like I said, you guys can take my word for it that it is very good quality, that holds a curl, that doesn't shed like crazy, that doesn't tangle. That is a really good deal. That's almost like Amazon prices. So I don't know how long their little coupon codes last, but I would really take advantage of that because you really can't beat that. So that's all that I have to say for this video. If you guys would like to see more of my hair videos, make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. Again, if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.